lashes, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, DashDoll19. Hello, how are you doing? Alright guys, so as we all staying at home and we got no shit to do, so here I am gonna entertain you with some more creative makeup. So if you guys are ready of what today I'm gonna do, then keep on watching. So today we're gonna do something very crazy, very out limit and nerve-wracking, I think so, and scared at the same time because I hope this doesn't flop, okay? I want this to be like extravaganza and looking snatched. So today I'm just gonna create my own makeup look. So I'll be doing my eyeshadow and I'll be creating something on my face as well. So nervous and I'm excited at the same time. So I love challenging, as I said in the first day one that I made my first video. So why not today that we're gonna do it together. Alright guys, so for today, first step we're gonna do is to prime our face and then we can go jump right into our eyes. And I'll be using Mida's Touch Serum Primer. So this is like a gold flake kind of things and it looked really cute actually. To be honest, my primer is so taggy and sticky in my face. Maybe I will use my hand to rub it. Alright guys, so for the eyeshadow palette I'll be using for today is Jaclyn Hill's the Volume 2 eyeshadow palette and James Charles X Morphe. So I'll be actually tell what I am going to do or use, but I'm not gonna go full on detail with it because I don't want this video to go too long and everything like that and you guys are gonna get confused of what I'm doing. So I'm gonna tell you what all of the colors I'll be doing. Alright guys, so I'll be using my first color from Jaclyn Hill's Volume 2, which is I'll be using Feeling Myself. And then Homebody. And My Man. Then Stay True. And the last color is Not My Journey. Alright guys, so as our cut crease has been created, so now it's time for colors. So I'll be using James Charles X Morphe eyeshadow palette. So the first color I think I'll be starting is the yellow one. And then orange color. And the lucky last color is violet. Alright guys, so I just add my lashes and eyeliner and I add some glitter in the middle of that yellowness. So it looks so cute already. So now, let's go for our face. Alright guys, so for the foundation I'll be using is by Too Faced Born This Way. And of course, concealer. And then after, it's time to bake your face. As for today, we're not gonna contour our cheek today, so we're gonna matte our face straight away with the powder. So if you guys are on my stage now, so we are actually gonna do something very crazy and fun. So today I'm gonna create feathers. So I don't know how it's gonna work. I haven't tried or played with it anything else at all. So today I'm gonna create 3 or 4, I don't know. So I'm gonna create a big one right here, a little one right there, and a medium one right there, or maybe around my neck, I don't know. So yeah, if you guys are down to do this with me, then let's do it together. Alright guys, so I'll be drawing and using this face and body paint right here. So I'll be using white and I'm gonna draw the outline of the feathers. So here I will show you what am I talking about. Okay, that worked, okay. So that's how my feather's gonna be. Alright guys, so I just drew the bridge of the feathers. So now it's time to color or choose your own colors. So I'll be doing like kind of cool and warm tones, like a rainbow kind of color. You don't have to use the same color as mine. You can do whatever you desire to do. So let's do it. Alright guys, so I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill's Volume 2 first. So I'll be starting, the first color is no joke, the yellow color. Alright guys, so as you can see now, it's more of like looking featherish. So now I'm gonna continue all of the colors. Alright guys, so I am down to the last two colors. So look at this guys. Oh my god. I create my own creative feathers look. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the James Ashton palette. So I'll be adding the light blue and maybe the dark blue to finish it. So let's do it guys. Alright guys, so this is my first feather. So guys, it looks so cute. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, it looks like I'm holding feathers right now. Oh! Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go create the other two and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I am done. So this is my feathers. So I don't know guys, it looks so snatching and it looks so good and I loved it. I don't know how your turn out like, but I hope you guys are looking snatched like mine. So now let's go for the lips. Alright guys, for the lips today I'll be using NARS and Morphe, and the NARS one I'll be start with Somebody to Love, and the gloss one, yes girl, I'm using gloss with it as well. So she is trippy. So let's see how she gonna turns out like. Ooh, she smells nice. Oh my god, that color looks so cute. Alright guys, so now it's time for the lip gloss. And she's looking like amazing. Look guys, it's so glossy and so like diamond-like. And okay. Oh my god, I never tried or never wore any like glossy before, and this is my first time. Alright guys, so after this lipstick, I'm gonna go back and edit some highlight and I'll be right back with some thought. Alright guys, so this is my final result. So I don't know what you guys think, but I am thinking it looks stunning. It looks fierce as well. If I lose this one, I think it will be cute as well, but it doesn't matter anyway. It's kind of my own style. But overall, just be happy of what you do, because you know, you're not compete with anyone. You just do and show your talent or colorfulness or art or whatever what you call it. But anyway guys, this is my masterpiece. I hope yours turn out to be whatever you're looking or expected for. So I hope you guys enjoy this video as I do, and I hope you guys love this makeup. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do right now, and don't forget to click the bell notification also. Alright guys, so before I'm gonna go, I just want to say that please be safe, stay hygienic as possible, or stay healthy, eat right, wash your hand before you do anything, touch your face, please be careful with that. But overall, if you guys are bored, don't forget to go on Google or on YouTube and type DashDoll19 to watch my latest, oldest, and the newest video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye guys!